Model, 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro PRIMASTAR CDTI L1H1 MOTED MOTED Lovely roof rack spares OR repairs. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 112,621. MOT, 30 January 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing, simple and easy repair, engine is 100% fine, gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, air con, electric windows.